It's day number 4 of building this ADU in Los Angeles, and today the plumbers are here installing the underground plumbing. They're making connections for things like the washer dryer, bathroom sink, toilet, kitchen sink, and the refrigerator. Tomorrow the next inspection takes place, and once passed, the crew will begin prepping the site for concrete to be poured. After the foundation is poured, the next stage after that is framing, and at that point the structure will start to look more and more like a home every single day. Stay tuned for daily updates until this accessory dwelling unit is built. If you'd like to build an ADU on your property, ADU Matchmaker is here to help connect you with vetted local architects and contractors to get the job started. Set up a free 20-minute phone call at adumatchmaker.com. See you there.